This serene stone patio features a wooden pergola, a cozy beige sofa and wicker chairs. Lush palms and flowering plants surround the space, while string lights add a magical glow. A peaceful garden patio offers a wooden pergola for shade over a dining set for 6. Stone pavers lead to a cream-colored house, all bathed in natural light and blue summer skies. A charming white cottage with a brown roof sits nestled in a lush garden. Pink roses and lavender line a stone path that leads to a cozy porch equipped with a wooden table set. Under a sturdy wooden pergola, a fruit-top table invites relaxation. This lush garden features potted ferns and a stone path leading toward a classic white house and lawn. This inviting backyard retreat features a wooden pergola, a brick fireplace and comfortable wicker seating. Potted cacti and lanterns create a truly tranquil outdoor lounge. A white brick archway leads to a stylish patio with black metal furniture and a pergola. Terracotta pots filled with flowers and a wooden deck complete this lush garden escape. This stone-tiled patio features a wooden pergola and a large white sofa perfect for hosting. A dining table stands ready for a meal amidst the privacy of beautiful stone walls. A vibrant pergola with a terracotta roof shades a wooden deck and dining set. The garden is a rich tapestry of plants and flowers, featuring a small stone path and rustic bench. Pink flowers climb a wooden pergola over a beige sofa and dining area. Surrounded by tropical palms and a white house, this paved patio offers a perfect, harmonious balance. This white-sided porch features a wooden floor, a cozy sofa, and a classic bench. Potted olive trees and ferns add a touch of nature to this peaceful, sun-drenched sanctuary. Hanging vines drape beautifully over a wooden pergola and seating area. This paved garden patio, set against a white house with a brown roof, offers a quiet place to unwind. A round wooden table sits on a stone patio, surrounded by vibrant succulents. The space features a functional outdoor counter with a sink, all overlooking a lush green garden. String lights glow above this wooden patio, featuring white wicker chairs and a cozy pond. A waterfall adds a soothing soundtrack to this lush retreat by a red-tiled house. Red and pink pillows brighten a white sofa on this cozy, roofed patio. Surrounded by greenery and rustic stone walls, a large window allows soft, natural light to fill the air. A white house with large windows overlooks a wooden deck and sectional sofa. Nestled in greenery, the space features a wicker chair and a side table near the inviting entrance.